In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oanda Historical Rates. Whether you're exploring market trends, preparing invoices, or backtesting a strategy, Oanda's Historical Currency Converter gives you a clean way to see how exchange rates have moved over time. Start by opening the Historical Currency Converter on Oanda's website. You'll see two drop-downs for currencies. Set the base currency to the one you're converting from, and the quote currency to the one you want to convert to. This defines your pair, like EUR as the base and USD as the quote. Next, choose the date range you care about. You can focus on recent days or extend to weeks and months to spot broader trends. After you apply your selections, review the rates in the table, or switch to the graph view to visualize the movement. By default, the tool typically shows up to about 180 days of historical data for free. If you need older history, you may be prompted to log in or upgrade to a paid plan. Keep that in mind if you're building longer analyses, so you can plan your data access ahead of time. If you want to keep the results, look for print and download options on the page. Some versions allow you to export a CSV that opens directly in Excel or Google Sheets. A Pro plan unlocks longer look-back periods and additional downloadable files, which is especially handy if you're assembling dashboards, running formulas, or archiving rates for records. Once in a spreadsheet, you can sort by date, compute averages, or create your own charts. Before you run a query, consider how you want the results displayed. Daily output shows one representative rate per day. Weekly or monthly views smooth out the noise and make it easier to spot trends across longer horizons. If you need precision for a specific project window, set a custom period. You can also choose the pricing basis. Bid reflects what you'd receive when selling, ask reflects what you'd pay when buying, and the midpoint is the average of the two, commonly used for analysis and reporting. A quick note on methodology. Oanda's historical rates are daily averages built from multiple data sources and aligned to midnight UTC. Because they are averages, they won't match a single live tick from a trading platform. These benchmarks are widely used for analysis, accounting, invoicing, and backtesting. That's the workflow. Pick your currencies, set your dates and display, view, or export, and you're ready to analyze historical exchange rates with confidence.